Once upon a time, in a small ant colony, there lived a curious ant named Andy. Andy was different from the other ants. He loved exploring beyond the colony's boundaries. One sunny day, he decided to venture into the unknown. As Andy marched along, he encountered various challenges like crossing a tiny stream and climbing a small pebble. Despite his size, Andy persevered, determined to see what lay ahead. Along the way, he made new ant friends, and they joined him on his exciting journey. One day, they stumbled upon a discarded picnic area filled with delicious crumbs. The ants were overjoyed and worked together to bring the tasty treasures back to their colony. The little ants learned the importance of teamwork and sharing as they celebrated their newfound bounty. Word spread about Andy's adventures, and the other ants began to admire his bravery. Andy became a leader in the colony, teaching his fellow ants that even the smallest creatures could achieve big things when they worked together and embraced curiosity. And so, the little ant colony thrived, thanks to Andy's courage and the valuable lessons learned on their tiny but mighty adventures.